Hello children, today we are going to do the vocabulary and grammar part of chapter number 3 from page number 32. So take out page number 32 vocabulary. Question number A. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. Number 1. The little boy was gently stroking the injured squirrel. Number 2. The workers loaded the coal onto the goods train. Number 3. First, I shall inspect the kitchen, then I shall check the stores. The injured player hobbled out of the field. Number 5. The captain clapped the player on the back to congratulate them for winning the game. Number 6. Rainwater streamed down the hillside. Now below that we have a definition of analogy. An analogy is a comparison between two things which share a common quality. For example, Mumbai is to India what Montreal is to Canada. Similarly, cry is to sadness what laugh is to happiness. Now, we have written Mumbai is to India. Yes. Now, this is to can be written in a symbol like you can see. This can also be shown as Mumbai. Two dots are written. Have you seen? Mumbai, two dots up and down, and then India is written. The two dot is called is to. Okay. Mumbai is to India. Montreal is to Canada. Cry is to sadness. Laugh is to happiness. So, let's do page number 33. Look at the words in bold, then circle the correct option to complete the analogy. Number 1, milk is to cream. Now here, from milk we get cream, right? So, we have to find in the answer, that is A, B and C options are given. We have to find is there any other thing that we get from a particular thing? Okay, like number 1, answer already it is circled. Cocoa is to chocolate. So, we get chocolate from cocoa. So, milk is to cream, cocoa is to chocolate. We get something from something. Yes or no? Then in number B we have cucumber is to green. We don't get green color from cucumber. Do we? No. It doesn't make any sense. Number C, tamarind is to sour. Now, sour is a taste. Yes, that taste we get from many fruits. We don't only get from tamarind. We only feel the sourness. Yes or no? So, the answer is cocoa is to chocolate. Number 2, stable is to horse. Now, what is stable? Stable is the home of horse, where we keep our horses in the stable. Now, we have to find if there are any other animal who have the name of the homes in the answer. Now, horns is to cattle. Number A, horn is something that animals have above on their head, two horns coming from this side. Then is to cattle. Cattle is a group of animals like cow, oxen, buffalo. When they are kept together, we call them cattle. So, horns is to cattle. Cattle don't live in horns. Horns don't live in cattle. So, this answer doesn't make any sense. Number B, pen is to ship. Now, this makes sense. Pen is the home of ship. Like stable is the home of horse. Here, pen is the, stable is the house of horse. In the same way, pen is the house of ship. Okay, this is the correct answer. Number C, honey is to bees. Honey is not the home of bees. Bees is not the home of honey. Number 3, gout is to bones. Gout is a disease that is developed between the bones. Okay, so gout is a disease, and where it happens between the bones. So we have to find, is there any disease which is developed in other parts of our body? Okay, now cough is to soup. What is cough? Cough is also a small disease we often have when the change of season occurs, right? And soup is something we eat or drink. So this also doesn't make any sense. Now number B, cataract is to eyes. Cataract is a disease and that is developed in the eyes. So this should be the correct answer. Number C, hair is to brown. Now neither hair is a disease nor brown. Okay. Number C also doesn't make any sense. Number 4, truck, driver. Now truck is the name of a vehicle and driver is the one who drives the truck. So we have to find in option A, B and C whether there are other vehicles or any other transport who is driven by someone. Okay. Number A, boat is to oars. What is boat? We all know what is boat. It is a water transport. Now oars is a stick that is used by the boatmen which help the boat to move. You must have seen while boating and all, the one who moves the boat, even we also use sticks. Yes or no? That stick is called oars. Now boat is a transport, oar is not a driver. Okay, oar is used by the one who is moving the boat. Number B, aeroplane is to pilot. Aeroplane is a air transport and pilot is the one who flies the aeroplane. So if truck is to driver, truck is a vehicle, aeroplane is also a vehicle. So it is, truck is driven by a scooter and aeroplane is, who flies an aeroplane? Pilot. So aeroplane is to pilot. Sailor is to sea also doesn't make any sense. Sailor is one who sails a boat or one who travels by boat or ship. Yes, and sea we all know, a large water body. So it doesn't make any sense. Number 5, startled is to surprise. The meaning of startle is surprise. Here meaning is given. Okay, so number A, scream is to loud. You know what is scream? Screaming means shouting and loud is a noise. It doesn't make any sense. The meaning of scream is not loud. Number B, arrive and departed. Arrive mean to come, departed mean to go. This is also very opposite meaning. Now number C, panic is to fear. The meaning of panic is fear. So we like number 5, startled is to surprise. Meaning is given. We have to find from option A, B and C, is there any word that has the same meaning? Yes, that is number C, panic, fear. Number 6, carriage is to road. Now what is carriage? Carriage is a vehicle, four-wheeled vehicle, okay, that is drawn by a horse. Okay, like horse cart, bullock cart, we have such carriage that is used in the road. You have in A Secret by 2, you have seen the wagon, yes, where Pierre Dupas load the milk in the wagon. That is also a carriage. Okay, now where does the carriage move? On the road. Now we have to find, is there any other vehicle that is moved in some parts of the land? Okay, number A, boat is to water. Boat is also a transport and it moves on water. That is the correct answer. Number B is glider is to wings. It doesn't make any sense. Glider is an aircraft that flies without an engine, and wings, you know, bird have 2 wings. In the same way, any other air transport also have wings. Yes or no? Glider and wings doesn't make any sense here. Cycle and ride also doesn't make any sense. So the answer is boat is to water. Now we are going to do the grammar portion, that is types of adjectives. Now you all know what is an adjective, right? Adjectives are describing words that describes a noun or a pronoun. There are three main kind of adjective: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjective of number. Now, adjective of quality describes the quality of a person, such as color, age, size, and material. Adjective of quantity tell us how much of something there is. Like if you use the expression like some, much, more, enough, little, few, then that is quantity. And adjective of numbers tells us how many people. You can tell the numbers like 1 tree, 2 tree, okay, like 1 spoon or 2 spoons, like this you can tell the number. So in this book you are going to learn about the three types of adjectives, that is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjectives of numbers. Number A, fill in the blanks with the correct adjective and state their type. Number 1, the Buddha remained calm but the crowd was panic stricken on hearing the thunder. Okay. Number 2, please add some salt to the fried fish. Number 3, the Taj Mahal is one of the grandest examples of Mughal architecture. Jupiter has 79 moons while Earth has just one. Number 5, Sid wanted to eat half of the chocolate cake. Number 6, of the many gifts I received on my birthday, I like the handmade mouth organ the most. Now, do you know what is the difference between handmade and man-made? Yes, there is a difference. We know that there are man-made things, natural things, and handmade things. Yes, natural things are the things made by God, like mountains, seas, rivers. Now, man-made things are the things made by man in the factories. Okay, with the help of machines, man-made things. Okay, like books we have, then water bottles we have, etc. So many things, whatever we are using in our day-to-day life, these are all man-made things used made with the help of machines in the factories and all. Okay, and handmade are the things which are made by man only, but it is made at home with our own hands. Like you make so many things in SCPW period, right? You make art and craft things, you make some decorative items for your homes. Yes, these are all handmade. So know the difference between handmade, man-made. Man-made is the thing that is made by man using machines in the factories, and handmade is the thing that we make with the help of our own hands. Machine is not used here. Okay. Now question number B. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. Number 1, what does she like to eat? Number 2, I visit my grandparents on weekends. Number 3, we stand up during the national anthem. The music sounds wonderful. Suniti and her friends are flying kites on the terrace. Everybody knows that the earth is round. The news is read by the journalist. So, this is the end of the chapter. From the next class, we will do some revisions and dictation words and all I am going to give you, and your first term syllabus is completed here, lesson 1, 2 and 3. Do it well, do it neatly in your book. Okay, homework you will receive, then only you do it in the copy, otherwise not. So, thank you.